cozy in here. Whee! Time to play! Catch me if you can! That was fun!
Are you ready to draw a cute orange fox in the flower cup together? Now let's draw with me. Hi, my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big circles for the eyes. Now inside each eye, draw small white circles for the shiny light. Color the rest of the eyes black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and sparkly. Now draw the nose and mouth. Draw a small triangle for the nose. Then connect 2 little curved lines under the nose to make the mouth. Draw the head. Next, draw a round shape around the eyes to make the fox head. Make the cheeks a little puffy and fluffy on both sides. Next, draw the 2 small paws resting on the edge of the cup. They should look like 2 little round shapes. Now draw the 2 pointy fox ears on top of the head. Inside each ear, draw a smaller shape for the inner ear. Draw 1 ear on the right and 1 on the left. Great! Then draw a curved line across the face to create the white muzzle area. Under the paws, draw the top curved line of the cup. Then draw the round shape of the cup going downward. On the right side, draw the cup handle. At the bottom of the cup, draw a small base so the cup can stand nicely. Add the flowers. Now decorate the cup with small cute flowers. Draw little flowers with petals all over the cup. Now it's time to color your drawing. Was this drawing hard or easy? And here is our cute orange fox in the flower cup. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.